So in this episode, we're going to be repairing a non-functional horn on a 1986 Chevrolet C10 square body. So that comes off like that. And then we see why the horn doesn't work, because there is no spring or button or anything where the horn goes. So as we were working on the horn, I told you there was a piece missing on this. That's because that piece should look like this. So you'll notice where this round hole is, there should be a sleeve coming up. That sleeve holds the spring and the push button for the horn mechanism. So reassembled, there's your push button for the horn. Why the horn didn't work was a bit of a challenge, because I didn't have anything that clearly showed me, hey, here's the parts you're supposed to have, so I could clearly identify what I didn't have. So I've made you this neat little illustration here that shows you the parts that should be there and how they assemble. So the sleeve was broke off the turn signal cam. The horn contact assembly, springer, plunger, and retainer were all missing. Also, the concave metal spring plate was missing. The horn base plate was there in the plastic insulator. So the way this all works, when you assemble all this, that concave metal spring plate, it is curved upward towards the horn base plate. That causes it to not make contact with anything until you press on it. That is from the parts catalog where I ordered the pieces that were missing. That is called a horn cap retainer kit that had everything that was missing in this except for the turn signal cam. I had to order it too, and then everything went together pretty smoothly. So now that we've assembled everything by the diagram I just showed you, reconnected the battery terminals, we give it a test. We got a working horn. Now we can say howdy to our neighbors when we're headed to town, going to pick up some parts or tools. We can let the guy in front of us know that the lights turn green when he's busy reading a cell phone or watching YouTube. Who does that, right? Yeah, good thing to have. So, if you will, like the video, and please subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out. And we'll be getting you more content very soon as we continue to work on our C10 square body.